Okay, this is OBS software. If you notice, most OBS are going to be like this, whether it be from Streamlabs or just plain OBS or from TicWare or what have you. Most OBS are going to be similar to this. What you can do in OBS is after you've created your scene, and I'm going to have a part 3 telling you how to create all this. Once you've created your scene, then go to your sources here. If you notice it, always at the top or at least above whatever source you're going to put. In this case, I'm using Swiss Alps. You notice it's highlighted there. You can see it's not strike through. The Swiss Alps is what I'm on right now. If you notice, I have webcam above it or on top of it. If I don't have webcam on top of it, what's going to happen is I'm going to be behind this picture of the Swiss Alps. And if I'm behind the picture, obviously you can't see me. So you need to always make sure webcam is on top of whatever you're going to display. I like to just keep it at the very top altogether. But what you do is you click the little add button. And if you want to put video, you can actually put video on here. But in this case, I put image, which was the Swiss Alps. But if I wanted to put a video, I could actually go over to media source, click media source. I can type in video, hit OK, and then look for my video, or same thing with picture. I can hit image, and let's say I wanted to put, let's title it me, right? Hit OK. I'm going to search for me, and I'm going to see if I can find me. Okay, there's me, right? I'm going to hit OK. And now it's time to drag it to the size I want it to be. Now remember, my webcam is below me. We don't want that. So we want to right click on me, and we want to reorder this. We're going to go ahead and reorder this, right? And we're going to move it down. So I moved it down, webcam's on top, me's on bottom, and there's the modem, and there's me. But I don't want me, so let's go ahead and get rid of me. Hit negative. It's going to ask me, do I want to get rid of me? Yes, I want to get rid of me. Now we're back to the Swiss Alps. It's that simple to put the green screen behind you. Now let's adjust the actual green screen. If you notice, there's no flaws in my face. There's a slight flaws around the top of my head here as I move it, because I don't have quite enough lighting as I would like to have. But if we want to adjust the chroma key, we're going to hit webcam, right click on it. We're going to go to filters. We're going to hit chroma key. Now, if I don't have it created, but again, in part 3, I will show you how to create it. I'm going to hit chroma key. And generally, these first 3 settings, which are above the opacity, right? The first 3 settings are what we're going to adjust. We're going to go ahead and slide the slider left and right. Now, unfortunately, it's going to give me a gray background, which I don't want. If I go too far to right, it starts to lose me, because the lighting's not quite as good. If I go too far to the left, it starts to lose the background, because it's not quite as good, the lighting. We want to get a good middle right there. Now, if you want to tweak it a little bit more, you can move the middle one, see how it's making me fade in and out. I want to get right about there. Okay, we want to go ahead and close this. Let's close it, and that gets me about to where I want it to be. So that's kind of how you set that up. Okay guys, now that you've learned how to set up a green screen, so make sure you have enough lighting. What I did was I actually, in this corner over here, I actually lit it up just a little bit further in order to kind of get rid of some of that, lighting problem that I had there. I had to readjust my lights, but I readjusted them and everything seems to be working really well. But in my next video, I'm going to show you how to set up scenes, and I'm going to show you how to set up the microphone. That way you can actually do recordings as well and have a green screen. So stay tuned for my next video. Remember, until then, if I can save you a few bucks, I will save you a few bucks. God, I gotta get out here, it's getting cold.